So I was a 13-year-old playing club basketball, and I was playing for the Minor Wolves, which was the course based out of GPRC with the Wolves team. And I knew from the second I stepped into the gym that I want to play basketball here. So I knew as a 13-year-old that I wanted to come here. Of course, the academic stuff came afterwards, but that's what did it for me. I'm Dr. Vanessa Sheane. I'm the president and CEO at Northwestern Polytechnic.
We have gained an exceptional executive who is very adaptable and experienced in post-secondary. And not only that, but she has grown up in this region, so she's really familiar with all the different aspects of the region, what's important, what are some of the emerging trends that are coming forward.
I grew up in Fairview. I actually worked on the grounds crew at Fairview College through high school, and very much grew up around that campus. And then after I graduated high school, I moved to Grand Prairie, and I was a student at GPRC. I was also a Wolves alumni, played on the basketball team. And then fast forward a decade and a half after I practiced as a nurse, I took a job teaching nursing at GPRC and have been here ever since.
Dr. Sheane brings an incredible amount of dedication and determination to this role, in addition to her, her vast network and her experience inside the institution. She is a professional who doesn't accept anything but the best.
It helps that I have come through the institution, and so I'm not stepping in as an outsider who has to learn just what is this organization and how does it function. Because I've been an instructor, I was a chair, I was a dean, I feel I have a good understanding of the different roles and the differences between the different roles. With my history of both communities, of the Grand Prairie area and the Fairview area, is just understanding that piece of what it's like to be a member of the community and be committed to the community. And I'm raising my family here. I was raised in the community, and so just having that connection and seeing how integral NWP is, I think is a tremendous asset that I bring to it.
Vanessa is a relationship builder. She is good at engaging with people, not only inside the institution, but outside. She has had a lot of experience through NWP. She's held a number of different roles, so she's had that unique opportunity to see this organization from a number of different angles.
As an instructor, the one thing I'd always say is I appreciated the classroom time because I could go in, shut the door, and nobody could disrupt us. It was me and the students, and we were there for them. Each course, each semester, I'd start off by introducing myself, giving a bit of my nursing background, and I would say, I'm here for you guys. Like, yes, there's course objectives we need to cover in this class, and we will, but this is your learning. What do you want to learn? The most important thing to me is people and the relationships that you have with people. There are many of us who work here, we work together, and we are here to provide an education for our students. I'm Dr. Vanessa Sheane. I'm the president and CEO at Northwestern Polytechnic.